Hi,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
Yeah, fine, ma'am. What about
Okay.
you?
Yeah, I'm good, Shanmathi. Okay, this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side. Okay, before starting that, congrats for your placement, Shanmathi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, shall we start up?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you introduce about yourself, your earlier studies and hometown?
Okay, ma'am. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Shanmathi. I'm pursuing my final year graduation in BMSIT, Bangalore, and I have completed my diploma in Mandya and my secondary education in Sri Cham Sugar School, Mandya, ma'am. Basically,
Okay,
I'm from Mandya.
okay. So, can you inform us how did you get to know Priyojana?
This is like I got to know about this through my college only. CMTI had some workshops in college, so I got to know about that.
Okay. So, can you speak about CMTI app?
Yes, ma'am. It's really helpful for me to learn AutoCAD and interior design questions and answers. I've attended quizzes in CMIT app. I think it's really useful for students who are looking forward it.
Okay. So, how was Prayojana staff approach during the placements coordination and all the entire process? How was their approach, Shanmati?
It's really good, ma'am. Everybody is like so sweet of them. Like they are helped me regarding job and finding job, and like they are helped me for attending interviews and all. Everybody is nice to me. Like
Okay.
I have very good
So,
experience.
what do you want to? Yeah. So, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors who is searching for job?
I would definitely say come and attend the interviews, assessments in CMTI. It's really helpful for your future to build your career. I have placed in CM through CMTI only. Then I would suggest everybody to come and just learn something from CMTI.
Okay. So, how was your interview process, Shanmati? How did you crack the interview?
It was really good. They just asked, just prepare for what you have written in your resume. I got to know about that only. Like what you have mentioned in your resume, you are the responsible for everything. Just prepare on your resume only. Like refer your resume.
Yeah. Okay. So, how was your experience, overall experience in Priyojana?
It was really good for me only. It's really good that I got to know about this and I have placed in through this. Then I'm really happy to be like to know about CMTI.
Okay. Okay, Shanmati. Thank you for your good feedback and thanks for that.
Thank
And
you.
once again, congrats for your placement and all the best for your future. Thank you,
Thank you.
Shanmati.